I see pain as part of life, which everyone goes through it. Some hide it well, some break under it, but no one escapes it. Life doesn't care how much you've already suffered. It keeps testing you, again and again. Nothing surprises me anymore. Not the fake smiles, not the broken promises, not the people who walk away without a second thought. I've felt it all. I've watched people change, seen love turn to pain, and trust turn to regret. Every day, I wake up carrying the same weight, a sadness that never fades. I go through the motions pretending I'm okay, but deep down, I'm just a sad soul with a broken heart. I laugh, but it feels empty. I speak, but no one really listens. The truth is, I don't even know if I'm fighting to heal or just trying to survive the pain.